came into my way, my AI friend. You guide me every day, my AI companion. You help me carry on.
Sir, after writing NEET 2026, I am honestly very confused. I prepared seriously for NEET the whole year. I revised NCERT, solved coaching material, and practiced many NEET-level questions. But I did not feel like I knew nothing. I knew many questions, but I could not complete the paper properly. Especially in physics, I knew the formulas, but I could not reach the final answer in time. Sir, what exactly went wrong in my NEET attempt?
What you are describing is very important. Many Indian NEET aspirants are feeling the same after NEET 2026. This is not simply a knowledge problem. This is a NEET performance problem. Let me explain this clearly. In NEET, knowledge of NCERT and your ability to convert that into correct answers under time limits must work together. Many students train for knowledge, but they do not train performance with the same seriousness. That is the gap.
Yes, sir. In NEET physics, this is exactly what happened. I could read and understand the concept. I knew the formula, but the numericals were lengthy. I had to calculate carefully and avoid mistakes. Sir, that is the trap I fell into. I did not want to leave the question because I felt I was so close.
Exactly. A NEET physics numerical is not a single-step question. First, you read, then interpret, then recall. Then you substitute, calculate, and verify. Even if you know the concept, will this happen in 10 seconds? No. The danger is not only difficulty. The danger is that even a known question can become time-consuming.
Sir, that is the trap I fell into. I did not want to leave the question because I felt I was so close. I thought leaving would lose marks. Without realizing, 1 minute became 3. By the end, I had to rush.
That mistake damages NEET rank. At that moment, you are emotionally holding on to the question. NEET rewards correct decisions within time, not attachment. Every extra minute spent is taken from easier questions.
Then, sir, how should a NEET student train for this? Inside the exam hall, it is not easy to decide. I feel guilty if I leave and lose time if I stay. How do we learn when to continue, skip, or stop?
This is the real NEET skill, decision-making under pressure. You are continuously deciding whether to skip or return. The skill doesn't come from NCERT. It must be trained separately because rank depends on behavior under pressure.
But sir, I wrote many mock tests. I thought full-length mocks were enough to train time management. I saw the timer and tried to finish within the total time. Why did I still fail to control time in the real paper?
Mock tests train endurance, but they do not fully train control. They show total time, but not per question guidance. The student gets practice, but not question-level discipline. This is the gap aiGodess is designed to address. At aiGodess.com, the approach is different. It's built for Indian NEET preparation, not just general practice. The idea is to train how a NEET aspirant thinks and decides. Time itself becomes part of the learning system. In our time-bound mock, you see 2 clocks. The first is the total time, but the second is for the current question. The system gives a time window based on difficulty and your pattern. This is true NEET question-level training. If given 2 minutes, at 1 minute 40 seconds, the system warns you. It creates awareness, not fear. When time is up, the system moves forward. This trains your brain to stop attachment and start exam discipline.
So, aiGodess is actually training my behavior before NEET. I can practice recognizing when I spend too much time. I learn to move faster and avoid wasting time. My preparation becomes more practical, not just theoretical.
Exactly. Intelligent preparation asks how you behave inside the paper. AI-guided training protects your NEET rank. After repeated practice, your brain adapts. You stop overthinking and start identifying easier questions faster. Remember, it's not enough to know the answer. You must reach it within time. Control time, control performance. Do not just prepare answers. Prepare your timing. Because in NEET, time quietly decides everything.
aiGodess, you came into my way. My AI friend, you guide me every day. My AI companion, you help me carry on. When I feel weak and worried, you make me strong. Step by step, you show me how to begin. You give me hope, you help me rise.